Hello guys, today I wanna show you best indicator for trading session in Forex. Are you already tired for searching perfect indicators? What help you with Forex and in the end you'll be profitable? I'm here to show you breakout strategy, what helps you with that. Also, please hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Okay, so we have here GBP JPY chart. Just choose 5-minute time frame, and now we go to the indicators, search for kill zones, then choose this one by Oscar, click on it, and now we have a three major session. Now we have this gray is the New York session, here is the red, it's the Tokyo session, and here is the yellow one, it's the London session. We will always search trades during a London session when it opens. Yeah, when we just trading GBP JPY, we need to wait for this lane and then go to the trade. So here we have a first opportunity. Here we have a breakout before, yeah. Here is the breakout, here is the bounce back to this lane, it's a trending lane. And then we need to just wait for open London session and we just go down, like that. Going here, last higher high, and now we go like 2-3 ratio, risk reward ratio, it's here. Yes, so now we need to find another one. Here is the same thing. I'm going with the trend line. Here is the breakout, already on the London session, so we go up, boom, last lower low, and then bam, easy. Also risk reward ratio around 2, yeah, so we're risking 30 pips for like 70-60 pips. Okay, we will check another one. Here is the again simple, it's the same strategy, it's so simple. Here is the trend line, here is the break, we need to wait for the London session, we wait for the London session, and then we go down. Last higher high, here is the, and go risk ratio like 2. Again, easy trade is the winning trade. Okay, we will check another one. Yeah, here I see the same. Again, here we need to wait. Here is the break, but it's Tokyo session. We need to wait for the London session, and here we going up, so we just put it here long position and then scale it for 2. Yeah, it's already 3, but you can put it on to 2. Okay, it's winning again. Okay, and here I will show you also the loose trade. It's not always the 100%. So here we have a trend line, here is the break, and also this break is on the line when it started this London session. So okay, simply we go down, but what happens here is it's stopped, and then yeah, this is the loose trade. So also be careful guys, It's not always the same story. Yeah, so here is the lose trade, winning trade, winning trade, win and win. So for 5 trades, backtesting, it is 4 win trades and 1 lose. It's 80% of winning rate. I think is also cool. So for now, for GBP, JPY, I'm using this strategy and it will give me a little bit profit. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Thumbs up if you want and bye.